Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss some very important JavaScript coding questions which you should know before your interview, before your any JavaScript or React or Angular any JavaScript interview. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so question number one is write a function which convert string to a camel case string. For example, background dash color should convert to the background color. Okay, so like in this question, we can see like we need to remove the dash and convert the second word's first character to the uppercase, and string can be anything. I mean it can be like I mean anything like abc dash xyz, then it should convert to the abc capital xyz. Okay, so just think about the logic, pause the video, and then okay, now we can write it. What we need to do, we need to write a function. So let's write a function with the name convert to camel case. Okay, yep, this name is fine. And what we need to do, we just need to pass the string in this function. So we will take a parameter with the name input. Okay, so basically what we can do here, we have one string with the let's take the example of the this background dash color. So we have this string with the background dash color. So what we can do, first we need to change this string to the array of string. That's why we are adding input dot split with the dash. So after this we will get the array of background comma color. You got my point? Okay, let's go to the next. And because we have the string, sorry, now we have the array, we can add the map. So we are just adding the map on the array. Array name is arr. We are just adding dot map. Okay, so first element is item and second is index. So what exactly we need to do here? We just need to check like, okay, so if it is the first string in array, that's why we are checking if index equals to 0. What we need to do, we don't need to do anything, we just need to return the item as it is. And if in else condition, what we are doing, we are just adding item array of 0 dot uppercase. So we are changing the zeroth element of the item. For example, that is the color, right? So zeroth element of color is C, and we are changing that to the uppercase. Plus we are adding the other remaining string as it is, I mean olor. Okay, let me write it down what we will get. So first we need to add the console so that we can get like what we are doing, what we are getting after this in arr. Yep, I need to call it. So convert to camel case, I just calling it, and I'm just need to copy this background dot color. Okay, run it. We are getting error. Okay, it's saying dot uppercase is not a function. Yeah, okay, got it. So it's correct, like dot uppercase is not a function. It should be two uppercase, yeah, and capital U, right? It should work now. So it is giving us the background color. I mean, we are getting the array of the background and color. Even if we have the some more string with the background dash color dash xyz, then we will get the array of background comma color comma xyz. What we did, we are just added the join so that we can get the desired output, right? So we added the dot join with the empty string. So now we are getting the background color. Now we can optimize it some more. uh, at the line of 7 I can remove it and I can do that with together. I mean in just before the map, still we are getting the same result, so that is fine. Okay, so let's move to the second question. We have some objects and we want a list of name in output. Okay, so like we have some objects, as you can see we have 3 objects and the output should be let me write it down. Okay, so output should be John, Adam and Mary. Okay, so like we have the objects, all the names are belongs to the different object, but in the output we need one array in which we should have all the names of the object, right? Okay, so just think about it and write your code. Okay. Okay, so basically what we can do in it, because we have the different objects, we can put all together in one array so that we can add, we can add the map on it, or maybe for each whatever in which you are comfortable. So quickly add the array list equals to, okay, so array list equals to one array in which I'm adding all the objects like John, Adam and Mary. Now array of list is the array of objects. Okay. So exactly in output what we need the array of names. So just quickly add array of a string we need in which we will have the name John, name Adam and Mary. So I just took the one variable name array equals to and added a map on array list, right? So array list is the array of object and I added the map on it, and just we are getting the item in map and we can return the item dot name. Now in name array it should return the array of string, the name, that is the John, Adam and Mary. So we are getting this. Just check your output, just check your answer with this, and let's move to the next question. So question number 3 is like we have one array of numbers and we have the range. What we need to do, we need to filter the array with that range. You got my question? So basically we have the array, for example, like we have the 1 2 3 4 5 and we have the range that is 1 to 4. So we just need to filter out all the element with that particular range. Okay, so like I take one array with the value 8 3 5 9 2 and the range is 1 to 4. Then if we send range 1 to 4, then this array should filter all the element or the items in between the 1 to 4. Got my question? Okay, pause the video, just write it down at your own, and then we will go to the solution. So what exactly we need to do? We just need to write a function in which we will get the array in particular range. So in this okay, so let me write it down like function, and I just gave the name range array, and we need to send this array as a parameter of this function, and we need to send the range also. So range we will take in the variable, maybe we can write it anything. So yep, so yep, we can take a and b, that will work. Okay, so first is array value. What we need to do, just take the array value, we are adding the filter, and we are getting the item of the array in it. What we need to check here, we just need to check like this item is in between the range or not. To understand it, first we need to call this function. So let me just quickly write it down. And in range array, just quickly send the arr comma range, that is 1 comma 4, means we are just sending the range 1 to 4. We need to filter the array in this range. Got it? So we will get this 1 in A and 4 in B. Now we can write the logic here. So the item should be greater and equals to the A, and item should less and equals to the B. Okay, so the logic is like we are just checking if the item is greater than and equals to the A, and it is less and equals to the B, we need to filter it out, right? So it should work. Let's check all the things. So there is some way to do this. This is the one way to do, and we need to add a return. So just added the return, and okay, so we are calling the function, we added the return. What we need to do, just we need to add the console.log and just copy this function and write it down inside the console. Yep. So okay, now it should work. Name is same, we are sending the array and range, fine. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so we are getting the 3 and 2, which is in the range of 1 to 4, and other element, that is 8, 5, 9, are not here. Yeah, so it is giving us the right answer, and you can check yours. If it is matching, then fine. If you get any other way to do these questions, you can surely share with me in the comments. And if you want me to make some more videos of these type of questions, so just let me know so that we will do that. Thanks for watching.